The day was like quite normal for me, and I was really happy. Okay, there's another session that we are going to have with you. The session started very normal. So when we were doing this portion, when we were focusing on the entire pain, I could feel it. And then you told us to focus on the shoulder and the gap between. I was in pain, total pain. I didn't know what to do, but then I was having a breathing problem. But then when you told to lie down, immediately I went to a different set of world where I could, see myself connected with the past. And I don't know, and there was something in front of me which I cannot explain, but it was something very weird. And I'm having a dialogue with that thing, whatever it is. And the moment it was trying to take over me, I was just being very resistant, and I was very strongly enough trying to tell whatever that thing was that, hey, now I don't want this thing to take control over me, because I know that thing is causing me a lot of pain. And in that process, I don't know, maybe I lost my way of what you were doing or what the session was going about. And when did you tell to even get up? I was not aware of it. I was still lying down. Later on, when I just suddenly I just picked up and I'm like, okay, everybody's awake. Okay, I have to get up now. So I was completely lost in the entire environment. And then I realized, okay, the pain which was causing me is like now no more going to, take rule over me, because I am a very emotional kind of a person. So I let my emotions take over me. So now I realize that I have to take over the emotions. So through this session, I am going to, that the entire vision that I had, I'm going to take care of and let that be the strong part of me. So I enjoyed today's session.